Features a driver's cab, working blade and steering and hard compactor wheels. Check out the awesome blue, gray, black and orange color scheme. Also includes a set of stickers for additional detailing. Steer the Dozer Compactor into position, lower the huge blade and get ready for an awesome display of power. This LEGO Technic Advanced building set is designed to provide an immersive and rewarding building experience.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.